What if I tell you 60,000 years ago, ancient Africans created biochemical weapons so advanced that it can compete with today's biochemical weapons? In addition to that, strategy and planning. This discovery, which was made in 2025, has just rewrote human history. Let's go straight into it. Till today, the oldest known poison arrow, that is, arrows with poison in their tips, which ancient humans used to hunt animals, was dated 4,000 years back in Egypt. But in 1980s, everything changed when these arrowheads were discovered in the KwaZulu-Natal province in South Africa, but they lay dormant till 2025 when they took this arrow for specific biochemical analysis. The findings of this poison in this tip of the arrow has just rewrote history because it was taken from a plant which exists even today. Radiocarbon dating of these poison tip arrows reveal that they are 50,000 years old, and the chemical analysis from the tip of these arrows showed that they contain the chemical components which are the bufendrin and epibubacin. These are usually present in a plant which is known as the gifbol in that area. This gifbol plant is famously known as the poison bulb in the African region, and they compared these poison tip arrows with a sample of poison tip arrows which they got recently 250 years back by a group of researchers who are exploring that area, and they found the same chemical components of these two poison compounds which are present in the gifbol plant in these arrow tips also. Now they have two sets of arrow tips, one 50,000 years back, one 250 years back, meaning that this technique of hunting animals using poison tip arrows were passed down for 2,400 generation. This gifbol plant, which is present in Africa, is a very arid plant and it can tolerate the extremes of environment, and the poison in it does not decompose easily. Humans 50,000 years back perfected the mechanism of harvesting this poison and using it, and they have passed it down through 2,400 generations to help them hunt animals, which fascinates all of us. What makes this discovery even more incredible is the thinking of humans 50,000 years back. First, they had to identify a plant which was poisonous, then they had to perfect a mechanism to remove the poison without poisoning themselves, and then they had to find out that this poison doesn't act immediately. That is, the spear will kill the animal, but this poison will take time to act. This was actually scientific thinking and abstract thinking combined, which helped them perfect this hunting method of using poison in arrowhead 50,000 years back, and they passed it down through 2,400 generation, which fascinates all of us. The real question is, how many more fascinating findings have been still left undiscovered like this?